His looks like it was made with expensive 3D animation software. But it wasn't.
No Maya, no Blender, no expensive workstation. In this video, I'm going to create a realistic 3D animal cartoon using only free or free access AI tools.
And I'm going to show you the exact workflow, including the prompts, so you can try it yourself. The workflow is actually very simple. First, we create our character. Then we animate it, build the environment, add sound, edit everything together, and finally turn those clips into a complete cartoon. So let's start with the most important part, our main character. For this project, I'm going with a lion cub because it gives us something cute, expressive, and visually interesting. The first step is creating the character. Instead of simply asking AI to generate a lion, we need to describe exactly what we want. We can describe the fur, eyes, body proportions, facial expression, personality, lighting, and overall animation style. The more specific our description is, the more control we have over the result. But there's another important thing we need to think about: consistency. Before we start animating, we want several reference images of the same lion cub. We can create different views and poses while keeping the same face, fur pattern, colors, and body proportions. This gives our video generator more information and helps keep the lion looking like the same character from shot to shot. Now it's time to bring our character to life. Instead of trying to generate an entire 5-minute cartoon in one go, we're going to create short individual shots. For example, our first shot can simply show the lion cub walking toward the camera. We tell the AI exactly what the character should do, how it should move, and how the camera should behave. And this is where things get really interesting. We can create completely different shots using the same character. The lion can run through the grass. It can drink water from a stream. It can sit peacefully under a tree. It can even discover a butterfly flying around its face. Each clip might only be a few seconds long. But when we put those clips together, they can become part of a real story. Next, we need a world for our character. And this is where AI image generation becomes extremely useful. We can create a beautiful African savanna with golden grass, trees, mountains, streams, and cinematic sunlight. We can also create completely different locations, such as forests, rivers, deserts, or magical environments. But there's one important trick: keep the lighting and visual style consistent. If your character looks like it belongs in a cinematic animated movie, but the background looks completely different, the final result won't feel believable. And don't forget to make the environment feel alive. A static background can make even a beautiful AI character look fake. So we can add moving grass, flowing water, swaying leaves, birds flying in the distance, clouds moving slowly, and subtle camera movement. These small details can make a huge difference. Now we need something that many beginners forget: sound. Good sound design can completely transform AI-generated animation. We can add footsteps, wind, birds, water, animal sounds, and background music. For our lion cub, we can use soft and playful animal sounds combined with cinematic children's adventure music. Even simple animation can feel much more professional when the sound matches what's happening on screen. Once we have our character clips, backgrounds, music, and sound effects, it's time to bring everything together. I take all of the clips into a video editor and start building the story. This is where all those separate AI generations finally become one complete video. I trim the bad frames, remove strange movements, choose the best generations, match the shots, and adjust the timing. Then I add the voiceover, music, sound effects, transitions, and a little color correction. And here's something very important. Your first AI generation probably won't be perfect, and that's completely normal. Sometimes the character's movement will look strange. Sometimes the face will change. Sometimes the camera will move in a way you didn't expect. That's why you shouldn't depend on one generation. Create multiple versions, select the best ones, and use editing to hide the imperfections. Remember, AI creates the raw material, but you are still the director. And after putting all these pieces together, this is the final result. So, can free AI really create a professional-looking 3D cartoon? Absolutely. But remember, AI is only the tool.
The real difference comes from your idea, your prompts, your shot selection, your editing, and your storytelling.
You don't need to be a professional 3D animator to start experimenting with this workflow. You can start with one character, one scene, and one simple story. Then improve it step by step. If you want to learn more AI animation and video creation workflows like this, subscribe to AAK AI Studio. And let me know in the comments, what animal should we turn into a realistic AI cartoon next? I'll see you in the next video.